Hey everyone, welcome back to See My Review, where we dive deep into the freshest sneaker releases out there. Today's unboxing is a big one, and trust me, you're going to want to stick around for this. Right here in my hands is the Jordan 1 Retro Low OG SP Travis Scott Medium Olive. As soon as I saw that box, I knew it was something special. The Travis Scott collabs always come with that hype, and this pair lives up to every bit of it. Let's talk details. First off, this colorway, *** medium olive, black, sail and muslin ***, is just fire. It's got that rugged yet premium vibe that only Travis can pull off. The materials are next level too, with a mix of leather and suede that not only feels great but looks super clean in person. And of course, you can't miss the reverse swoosh, Travis Scott's signature touch that sets these apart from any regular Jordan 1 Low. The red Jordan Wings logo on the heel and the Cactus Jack branding add that final hit of flavor that makes this a collector's dream. Now here's the part you've been waiting for. ***, how to get your hands on these ***. These sneakers are currently on sale at a website I've linked down in the description. Not only can you grab your pair at a great price, but the site also includes all the details you need. ***, contact numbers, social media accounts ***, and more. Whether you're a sneakerhead or just love that Travis Scott drip, this is your chance to add something iconic to your collection. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. If you love the unboxing and want more content like this, hit that like button and subscribe to see my review. Don't forget, ***, everything you need is in the description ***. From the website to grab these shoes to all the social media links and contact info, it's all down there. Until next time, keep rocking heat on your feet and I'll see you in the next review. If you're a sneaker enthusiast or fashion lover looking for the perfect mix of style, quality, and value, then /seemyreviewcops is a destination you definitely need to check out. This site has quickly become a go-to spot for high-quality sneakers and fashion pieces, offering a wide range of the most popular styles, from classic Jordans and Yeezys to the latest drops from brands like Nike, Adidas, and more. What sets /seemyreviewcops apart is their commitment to authenticity and attention to detail, ensuring every product not only looks the part but feels just like the real deal. Whether you're copying a fresh pair to rock or add to your collection, you can shop with confidence knowing you're getting premium quality. One of the biggest